Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to a Journal With Me video. Yes, okay, let's get started. Glad you're here. Hope y'all are doing well. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever a new video comes out. I appreciate your support. Let's get started. Okay, so right now I'm getting out my date stickers, right, from Brooke. These can be found in her Etsy store. She has them in sticker form and in digital form. So I will have the link below. So let's just get that out. I don't even know what date yesterday was, and now I'm recording on my phone, so I have no clue. Okay, let's see. I did do this page. What was this? The 13th, 14th. So yesterday was the 15th. I am so hoping. If not, I'll fix it later. No big deal. Okay, so yesterday I have a few things here set up. Okay. This is, I got a lovely Happy Mail from Sweet Allison at AJ's Inspired Life. So I'm going to stick this here and I'm going to make it, I do believe, a tuck spot, right? So that I can tuck her sweet little note in here and some other stuff. And then I'm going to decorate the outside, okay? So here are the things that I'm going to use. Yes, so let's get started, okay? Let's get a glue stick out here. Oh, that doesn't feel very full. We'll get this glue stick out, okay? I need this glue here, so we're just gonna get on and get started. Okay, so on this day here, I received Happy Mail, which was very sweet indeed. And let's see, come on, squeeze. What else? You know what? I did not do very much at all. Let me think. Oh, golly. Did I don't even think I recorded any videos, to be honest. Yeah, I don't think I did, which is really odd for me because I'm usually in here filming every day. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, is that not beautiful? Okay, it is gorgeous. And this is a napkin. This right here is a napkin. And then Allison had this on her Happy Mail. So I went ahead and cut it off, and I'm going to use it for this beautiful little tuck spot here. Isn't that cute? Okay, so yesterday, or well, on this day that I'm doing, we went to, I know we went out and ran errands, okay? So we went to, a bunch of different places, but one of the places was the Dollar Tree. So I have this here. This is just a cutoff from a notepad that I got. So let me get my little book here that I use for gluing. Okay, so we're gonna take this because it was very sunshiny and hot, at least until the afternoon. It is summertime here, and our weather pattern, you know, is pretty much the same every day. It's hot, humid, sunny in the morning time, and then the afternoon comes and we have afternoon storms blowing in off the Everglades, which are to the west of us. So it was very, very nice and sunny and hot out. Okay, so I'm gonna glue that into the book. Okay, let's see what else we got here. All right. Let me see. I think, whoops, no, get in there. I'm over here. This was Allison's sweet package. I do believe you have already seen the opening of that. Okay, so let's see. This was one of the pages, right? One of the scrapbook papers, and I love it. I love it. I'm trying to see. I want the You Make My Day, which is right here. So, you know what? I might tear it right in this. I love watercolor, whoops, so much. So let's see. This is the one part I did not prepare. Go figure. Okay, so we're just gonna tear this out. We're gonna try to tear it out. Oh, yeah, yeah. Not all that great at tearing, but okay. So there's that. And then we're gonna tear it right here. You make my day. Isn't that so cute? Yeah, because Allison certainly made my day yesterday. It was very sweet. Okay, so we're gonna put that right there, and we're gonna use this sticky glue. This is, just so you know, art glitter glue. Pretty much sticks to anything. So yeah. And I just put it in this little fine tip applicator just because it's easier to use that way. I think though, when I run out of the art glitter glue, instead of running out and buying more art glitter glue, I'm gonna try to use thin out some Aleene's tacky glue and put it in the fine tip applicator and see how that works, okay? Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. All right. Okay, now I did do my walking, but the other thing I did was when we got back from running our errands, you know, my husband and I spent the afternoon on the couch, and it was fabulous. So yeah, yesterday I pretty much did nothing. I mean, you know, we went out, we ran errands, we had to get some shower heads, we had to get some new light bulbs for my daughter's room. He was gonna get a haircut, but the lady wasn't there. And then what else did we do? We went by Dollar Tree, so I got some new baskets, super fun. And then yeah, when we got home, we just relaxed. We literally just relaxed, and it was very nice. So there's my little couch for relaxing. That came from Deidre. So thank you so much, sweetie. Okay, now some of the other things I got, let me see, are these right here, okay? And I know they're glary, and I'm super sorry. But I'm gonna use these. These are like these watercolory ones, and they are so cute. So I am going to, let's see here. Come on, get out of there. Ugh, I hate when they do that. I mean, I like the way that they package them, you know, because you don't have to like cut them apart. But this little sticky thing drives me nuts. Okay, so I'm gonna put on here relax, and I'm really gonna hope, let's use a blue one, that they're sticky enough so that I don't have to glue them down. And I'll use a little watercolor one for the E-R-E. A yellow one for the L. And I put them all different ways, so that way I don't have to worry about them being straight. Yes. Oops, let's get that little A part out of there. Oh, I hear thunder. Ooh. Relax. Yes. Okay, there are only 2 X's, so I don't have a choice. I have to put this little one there. Yep. Relax, right? Yes. Okay. Relax. That goes there. Let's see what else I have on here. Okay. I did do my walking. You know what? I think I might put the date up here if I can. Let's see here. Okay. So yesterday was Wednesday the 15th. Let's see if this will fit. Otherwise, I'll just put it down here. Nope. Yep. It's got to go down here. So the 15th, it was the 15th, and it was a Wednesday. So let's get this Wednesday sticker off of here carefully so I don't rip it. My hands are quite shaky this morning. Okay. Come on now. All right. This little bit right here. So it was Wednesday. Should I put it up here? Should I put it down here? We'll put it down here. Why not? Okay, so Wednesday, all right. Wednesday the 15th, I really hope that that's right. 13, 14, 15. Okay, I think so. I think so. I might find something else to put up here. Let's see here. Let's see here. Oh gosh, where did it go? Where did it go? Where did I put it? Oh geez. Here I thought I was just like so, you know, set and ready to go. And now I'm over here, whoops, over here digging in something. Okay. I don't know about that right there. Let's see, maybe it's in here. This is my little packet right here from, part of it anyway, from Sweet Allison. I don't think I filmed yesterday. I'm not entirely sure. Okay, it's not in here either. All right, where did you go? Where did you go? There it is. Okay. We could use some washi tape, of course, right? I love this washi tape so much. Love it, love it, love it with the crosses on it. So pretty. Okay. And then we're gonna put some more. Let's see, just a little bit more. Oi, come on now. On here, right down here. Oh golly, it's thundering, 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 thundering. Okay, we had cowboy or cow pie for dinner, which is so yummy. So yummy, yeah. Okay, so we'll use, let's get our glue booky thing out here and we'll glue this down. And cow pie, I got the recipe or the idea or whatever from my friend Heidi over in the UK, Heidi Hornsby. She has a YouTube channel as well, link her below. And it is so yummy, right? It's like a combination between, it's a combination between, let me think, what's it called? Beanie Weenies and shepherd's pie. It's like the bottom is Beanie Weenies and the top is mashed potatoes. So good. Oh my gosh. I want to put this on here, blessed to be, because we were just being yesterday, right? We were just being. So I want to put that down here. This is a fairly simple page because we didn't do much, you know? But I do definitely feel blessed to be. And we were just busy being yesterday. Whoops. Crease that. Oh well, that's okay. All right. And then I did do my walking, okay? So I did my walking and I also did my workout. So there is that, my little walking shoe, and I will put 2 miles on here. Let me see. Sorry for the reach. Okay, so, well, actually it was like 2+ miles, so I can write 2+ MI, yes, okay. And then I will put this never give up. Why not? Why? Because I can. Never give up, yeah. Never give up, yes, walking. Okay, so it was sunshiny. I have this little cow pie, that's what we had for dinner. This goes in the garbage. Okay, and then this is gonna go in here. This was my sweet little note from Sweet Allison. And then also, what did I just do with it? I had it. Where did I have it? Where did it go? La la la. Come on, Elizabeth. There it is. Okay. She also sent me this beautiful pad, right? Let Your Light Shine. Isn't that so cute? Okay. So I'm gonna take 2 of these because I'll probably end up gluing them together, right? And then I glue them together like this to make them a little more sturdy, okay? If I wanna add a tab or I wanna add, you know, fibers or anything like that, I can. And that will go right in there with that. And then there, ta-da, the page is done, right? Yeah, and then I'll write my journaling on here. So this pretty much tells the story of what happened this day, right? I got a beautiful happy mail from Allison, which I'm gonna write thanks Allison on here. Let me see, I'll need a Sharpie for this. So let's just get one out right now. So here is my thanks. Allison and a little heart. Thanks, Allison. She's so sweet. Yeah, so I know that I got Happy Mail this day. I went walking this day. I'm just blessed to just be this day. It was sunny out. My husband and I relaxed on the couch all day, and we did run errands, so that will go in here. And then this is the sweet little note from Allison. So yeah, and then here's my, I might have to glue these down. They're not seeming to stick. They stick to my fingers all right. So I'll have to glue that down. Yeah, and it was a Wednesday, and it was the 15th of July. And I'll stick this in here, and there you have it, right? There is my page for the day. Yeah, that was quick. So all I have to do now is go back and write my journaling in, and it is done. Okay, so we're gonna clean up here. See this little cute little pin here? Yes, I do believe Brooke's daughter made it. Thank you very much, Brooke's daughter. So beautiful. Okay, and it goes right in there like that, so my glue does not dry out and I don't lose the pin like I always do. So yes, thank you, Allison, again so much for your beautiful Happy Mail. It made some wonderful additions to my page. And yeah, I think I'm all done now with this page. Now, like I said, I just have to go back and do the journaling, and then I will work backwards. See, on this day, I do not have anything done. This day, I have to finish, and then onward, backward, okay? I have a lot to catch up on because I've been out of town so much. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy this video. Again, if you like what you see, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I come on with a new video. I really appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day and a fabulous rest of your week, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.